We understand. Do you still have stage fright even today after this long?
It's part of life. It's
I understand because Nami,
It's like
as guys, it's so crazy, ne? Most of people that I've had a sit with, I hate calling this interview.
Okay.
It's so nice to say it's a sit because we get
Yes.
to interact. I get to share what I think or how I feel, and then vice versa.
True.
So that is why I call it a sit. And it's always nerve-wracking. It doesn't matter how good I've interacted with you before or that I've been doing this for the longest time. Like, we are cool, Manuti. Am I gonna say right things? I don't want to offend this person and all that. It's always like that. So I can relate to that.
Leo ke shem. Noma khona sekuthiwa benginokubona even yena uNtando. Ne? Like he's been killing shows everywhere. But always makumele singene stage.
Yeah.
Nakumbona ngize ngimlacha it's up there.
Tell me about your relationship yakho noNtando. How did you meet? And I know ukuthi uye waba yi-backup singer yakhe.
Yes. We met Extension 12.
Ubani sanemi kaNtando?
Bangani.
Guys, asikhulumi ngomuphi uNtando lana. Sikhulumi ngomuphi uNtando Bangani. Yes. Look helele signature yakhe iyo leyo.
No, we met Extension 12 noNtando. During I don't know if Besingam met you to Fidumon, but I think Besingam met you to Fidumon.
Vele. uNtando ufike wena so relationship no Fidumon nami leyo ngiyayifakaza.
So when we met,
yes.
When we met noNtando besise studio like at 12. Ngikhohle ukumention ulona uBra Otto. I don't know if yamazi. uBra Otto wasikhulisa sonke ama musicians walapha eWest Rand.
Yeah.
Sesisonke like sikhulele lapha yami. So that is where we met.
Kwa
Bra Otto, yes. And then he was with his crew. I was with my crew.
Yeah.
And then there was this vibe yoguti. I don't know if I would say it was a feud of some sort, whereby every group or every artist has to fight for that number one or for that which go release yena kuqala.
Oh,
you understand?
Oh.
We were given that mentality. So besi iloyela lesa spotlight lesa kulesa studio lesa. So sometimes uthola ukuthi abontando yabo yebo then sinini thina kuthiwa no imelani kancane sisasebhizi safocus kubontando.
And then buzuthi hayi wayibona. Yeah.
So through that untando was like, hey, atshela ulona uBra Otto ukuthi hey la ntwana leya ngiyaba la group leya ngiyayibona eza rappers inswebu but leya you know like wangibona la okay hayi nami ke ngammeeta from lapho and hey ngathanda istyle sakhe yabo ngathanda everything nje bekayenza because of futhi beka sase too much kwiraga.
Yes.
You know, so savele sa clicka mina naye
najongana.
Yeah, like
wakujonga nawe wamjonga.
Oh then ke ukuze sigcine sesiba sonke ke uBra Otto suggested ukuthi I know from these other guys esenesebenza now, I'm gonna select you Ashuntando waselecta mina from my crew, waselecta Elinye Grootman, uAgolo. He's late also, may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah,
then kwaba uKhaya. uKhaya was another guy obegeze noNtando, so saba 4. What was that group called konje? Ngisakhumbula ukuthi kwaba yini but he formed a group from the 4 of us, and then kwarekhodiwa hey ukuthi yaphelela lapha ngisakhumbula. So but that is how a relationship now yami noNtando yaqala lapho ke. And from then until today ngiyakhumbula I was 14 years when I met uNtando.
Nikukanon.
Yeah. That's my soldier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I remember I never had an opportunity mina to attend lama performances nanhlala niba nawo eholweni fireplace. Wayengasabi ukuze Swaneville.
No, he was never azange. And ukhumbula ukuthi back then I think wayengakangeni na kwi-industry. But even noma sekangenile kwi-industry wayengasabi ukuze Swaneville until today.
Manje hayi seka phela seka umuntu wasekasi somewhere somehow, you know. Yeah. And then where is before we get to that, I want ukungitshele when you think of Coca-Cola Popstars, what comes first in your mind?
It's the lighting. The interviews. Obviously the audition, the auditioning part, where lapaya sa sliceana. Sa sliceana lapaya. And you know, you always go there. I remember when I went to the workshop, maseba start basisa kwi workshop. Ibhek yam. Ungabuza ufilimo. Ibhek yam bingakanyana. So
why yakhe bincane?
Because I thought lapha maybe ngizoya once, twice, bese bang eliminate. I didn't expect.
Yeah.
So masiloku siya kanje ngisho man. Lokhu ngiyaqhubeka. Ebayisekulokhu.
Manje unempahla mfethu.
Nejini tracksuit. After tracksuit ejini.
And awuna chance ukuthi aningithumeleli phela bengekho ama-Uber ukuthi aningibubele impahla zami. Yeah.
You know, so uya laphayana just hoping ukuthi I just hope ukuthi I'm going to make it. And surprisingly besifika ngenye into nomngane wami sifike nje si
And then now it happened ukuthi wena ugule ne?
Yes,
and then ungasaqhubeki ngayo. Give me just, angifuni siye kuyo kakhulu because siyasakhuluma ngayo earlier. When you think about it today, uzizwa njani?
Mina ngizizwa sharp manje. And more especially because nginga-realize ukuthi kusho ukuthi thema kulokhu hamba iminyaka lokhu kwenzakala izinto empilweni yami. And then lately, not so long ago, recently, and then ngayithola lento leyo ukuthi no man, into eyenza ukuthi konke lokho kwenzeke ile.
You found answers.
Yes.